Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. The students, in this numerical analysis class, or you can say in this numerical computation class, the session that is for our discussion today is number representation in computer. It is very important since for the student of computer science, BCA and MCA. Today, you will be able to understand that how the binary operation plays a role. What are the significant digits to be read by the computer? How the hardware or the software of a computer is supported by the digits. So, overall the discussion for today in your class is the application of arithmetic in computer. So please come on the point and let us see this is binary representation and computer arithmetic. Very interesting historical description is given in the first paragraph, that is telling that how the ancient mathematical history of India has been reached, means how rich has been the mathematical history of India, how the counting process transmitted from India to Arabic country, then from there to European countries. But the actual idea originator country was India. So see here, the decimal system of counting and keeping track of items was first created by Hindu mathematicians in India in AD 400. Since it involved the use of fingers and thumbs. It was started by the use of fingers and thumbs. It was natural that this system would have 10 digits. This was first of all told by Indian mathematicians. This system found its way to all the Arabic countries by AD 400, 800, where it was named the Arabic number system. And from there, it was eventually adopted by nearly all the European countries by AD 1200. So the journey of the development of the digit starts from India from 400 AD, means after death of Jesus Christ, where it was called the decimal number system. In European country, this process was called as decimal number system. So the decimal number system is the important factor for explaining the arithmetic of computer and computer engineering. The key feature that distinguishes one number system from another is the number system base or radix. This base indicates the base of digit that will be used. So you should study, you should try to go through this literature. I'm just coming on the practical portion. Suppose you have the use of 10 digits are these to represent numbers, you know well. These are the 10 digits. Consider a decimal number 847. This means 800 4 tens plus 7. So 800 4 10 plus 7. The system has a base or radix of 10. This means that each digit in decimal number is multiplied by 10 raised to the power corresponding to the position. It means if you have to write 800, then you can write 8 into 10 to the power 2. If you have to write 47, so then you can write 40 plus 7 means 4 into 10 to the power 1, and 7 means 7 into 10 to the power 0. Similarly, you can write in this fractional also. So here, this is the decimal system, and binary system is what? In binary system, we take 2 as the base. The binary system uses just 2 digits 0 and 1, as you know well, as it is easier for computer to distinguish between 2 different voltage levels than 10. This means that it has a base of 2. Each digit in a binary number is multiplied by 2 raised to a power corresponding to its position. See here, if you have 1011, this may be like this. Count here, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 digits. From right, please again count 1, 2, 3, 4. So how to convert this in binary number system? Write 1 into, since here digits are 4, so take it firstly this one, this of beginning. 1 into 2 to the power 3 means if total numbers are 4, then you have to write 3 plus then 0 into, here is 3, then here will be 2. 10 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus this 1 into 2 to the power 0. Now after simplification, you can find that this value is giving you 11. When confusion is possible, we can show the base of number by using subscript. For example, this as binary, as this as in the form of base 10. Now you can convert this, converting decimal number to binary number. See, if you are asked to convert this, convert this in the as a base 10 to binary. So how? Divide this given digit by 2. This will be this, and this may be written as this and half. So here remainder is what? Remainder is 1. Again, this 418 will be divided by 2. Then this will give you 209. So 209 into 0 by 2. Because though there is no remainder, so here will be remainder 0. 209 then divided by 2, this will be 104.5. Means 0.5 means 1 by 2. So remainder will be what? 1. In this way, you have to consequently divide this, and then take consequently these 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1. So this will be what? This will be your answer. This will be your, this will, means this may be written in the form of this. And again, by binary expansion, you can check that the value of this is this. So students, I hope that you understand that how the arithmetics in computer science, how the arithmetics in computer is used, what is the decimal number system, what is the binary number system, and how binary number system may be converted into decimal number system, and decimal number system may be converted into binary number system. Octal and hexadecimal notations are also, you can see, these are the like about integer representation. You know from very beginning, this is the binary, this is the decimal, this is hexa, and these are the sign magnitude. Students, one compliment is given here that you should note also. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In case of any query, feel free to write your comment in the comment box. We shall try to resolve your query if you put there. Thank you for enjoying this lecture and listening to me.